wagons are away and gone at the moment. 28,431. And 124 puffing and smoking there from 760. And then bringing up the rear just behind 360 is number, I've got a clue. What's his number at the back of the field? Number 6, then it is. Richard Carter is bringing up the real thing. Hocking up for second place with our number 69 just pulling away now over there on the far side. 19, your heat winner last time out, coming under front. Carrington 777 as they come round the turn with 31 in fourth place. And 28, 760, then 124, 360. And number 6 still bringing up the rear. But he's pulling away all the way from London Holding. Bill Ward in number 69 it is. It's moving round and he's still there in first place. Look at the race for second now. 777 up the inside. New second place then, 777, 18, oh, over there on the far side, 31, then 28, we've lost number 6 into the infield. Oh, and the flagman nearly got lost then, that was the door, yellow flags are waving, the battle goes on for second, as they steady it up then and now to stay, I believe, in the same position. As the middle of the track is sorted out, number 6 then trying to take out the two post front tractors and red flags on that one. I've heard that one before as well. Check the flag, that's the end of the race. Who won it?
End of the race.
End of the race now. I think it was 69, wasn't it? Was it Phil Ward? 69 then, Phil Ward with a very, very fine win. Super stuff. Thanks very much for putting up with me. I really enjoyed that. I'll hand you back over to the main man. How do you follow a commentary like that? That was absolutely brilliant. Fantastic. So I think a round of applause to you there. Our guest commentator today, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Kevin Herdman. A superb commentary there from Kevin and a superb drive from 69, Phil Ward. He failed to complete the lap in the first race, as we saw, even having to run out of diesel on the rolling lap. And he comes through to take the win. Steve Robinson second, Cameron Pugh in third, to be confirmed of course. And we saw number 6 Richard Carter spin out onto the infield there and almost collide with our tractor. That was fantastic stuff. A few donuts there from Phil Ward in the old Jackie Dania. That was great stuff in the trucks. Well done to 69 Phil Ward, your race winner. Trucks returned to Hednesford, of course, back in 2003, and they have gone from strength to strength since then. From 5 at that initial meeting, we've seen as many as 14 here.